Peekaboo! It's me, here to help you get started in your journal work today. I know you already have your pencil, crayons, and your journal out and ready. Here, let's read our instructions. Watch this teacher video to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem. Here's our sentence stem in yellow. Read it with me, please. People celebrate Independence Day by blank. Your job will be to fill in this blank with how do people celebrate this day. You will add a beautiful picture and lots of color. But first, let's start our sentence stem here together. I've got my supplies ready. I hope you've got yours too. And let's find a clean page. The first thing we put is the date. Give me a 3. 22. 2021. Do you have today's date? Come on down to your first line. Save that space for a gorgeous drawing today. But here on my first line, I'm going to start my sentence. Let's check out and remember, what are we writing? People celebrate. Our first letter P is a capital letter P. Everybody get your pencil ready. Repeat the word and write it with me. People. P-O. Paul. P-L-E. P-E-O. Says people. Finger space. Our next word, repeat it and write it. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-B-R-A-T. Silent E on the end. Celebrate. Check your words. Celebrate. So far we have people celebrate. Finger space. Independence is a very long word. Do you have space here, or do you need to move to the next line? No big deal if you're going to a new line. Repeat it and write it with me. In. De. Pen. Dense. Ooh, let's check that long word. In. De. Pen. Dense. People celebrate independence. Next word. Day. You notice I give a capital letter I and a capital letter D for day. Why am I putting capitals? Because they're not the beginning of the sentence. It's a name. A name of a what? A name of an important holiday. Good job. D-A-Y spells day. Read with me. What do we have? People celebrate Independence Day. Finger space. By blank. Save that space. You'll have a period on the end, and you will fill in how do people celebrate this day. Show me up top, how do people celebrate? If you don't remember, don't worry. Here's some pictures to help you out. The first subtitle says an Independence Day celebration in the 1860s. I spy some flags flying. I also spy some kids playing games. I notice a picnic over here eating some foods. Our other image I've included is fireworks near the U.S. Capitol building. We remember that building? Where is it? Washington, D.C. Beautiful, huge fireworks. Or at your house with your family, you could also pop fireworks. Here are some ideas to help remind you of those traditions, and you will start your picture. Don't forget to add lots and lots of color. When you have a beautiful picture with color details, a complete sentence that tells me how do people celebrate? People celebrate Independence Day by what? At the end, you have a period. At the beginning, we have a capital and today's date. When your journal is all complete, you are proud of your work and proud to be an American. It's photo time. Take a picture and upload it to your teacher on Google Classroom. I will see you tomorrow, my fellow Americans, to talk about another important holiday. Nice job today. Adios.